Hi, so your upload bot is ready. So at first you need to install Python, then you need to install the requirements. To install the requirements, just open the readme file and copy this line and then open a cmd in this folder and press it or paste it here and press enter. So it will download all the requirements. All the requirements are already actually downloaded in my case. So I'm just clearing this and then you need to update the excel file. So here is the text, here is the tags, media path and the status. So instead of deleting the lines or the rows, I have decided to actually uh, retain here that posted or so if any post or any content is posted, it will retain here that it will be written here that posted, so that it won't be uploaded again and again. One more thing, you don't need to actually put the tag here, and instead of tag you just use a comma to separate the tags actually, and it will add the tag for you. So here are the thing, and I have already uploaded this one using this bot to actually test by myself. So it will just skip this one because there is a written posted, and if you want to post that again, just delete that thing, so it will post it again. So for now just close it and run the bot from here. To run the bot we just need to write here python main.py, so it will start working. So at first it will ask for the interval that you want to input. So I'm inputting 120 seconds, and there is actually two kind of interval in this bot. This is the user input interval, and there is also a random interval, and the random interval is between 1 second to 120 seconds. It will actually help you to make the bot more stealth. So I have added that. So let's begin, and here you will also see the status that when what happened. So at this time it found the excel sheet. Now the bot is open. So it has posted it, you can see. So now let's check the status. So you can see that excel sheet found, chrome opened, then text added, tag added, then another tag added, then media added, posted, and this is the that a status has been changed in the sheet, that it is updated. And then there is the random sleep. It will sleep for 35 seconds this time, and after this 35 second period is up, it will sleep for the for this time, the interval that you have put it, and then it will go for the next upload actually, but there is no more no more content, so it will just close the browser. So that's it.